it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. But if you are new here, what's up? I'm gonna take these bracelets off right away because they're already like... This is gonna be kind of a tutorial, I guess. Walk through my thoughts, how to review of the Madam Glam gel nail polishes, which I cannot get over these. I stare at my nails all the time since I've done these myself. They're gorgeous and they're super like springy colory. I think I've mentioned it here and there like a few times before that I do my own nails myself at home. It's cost effective, saves me so much money to just do them at home. I taught myself how to do my nails. I'm nowhere near a professional. I think I do have a lot more practice still to go. Doing my own nails, I think it's a really nice like therapeutic type thing, and also it saves me money. Madam Glam did reach out to me to send me some of their products. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, because I have found some amazing gel polishes. They did send me a really nice like box with everything in it. First they sent me like their kit of like the removal stuff, foils to take everything off since you do have to kind of soak the gel off, wood to like clean off around your cuticles, and a nail file, so I got that in there. Super nice of them. They sent me one of their little portable LED lamps, which you're gonna need to cure the gel polish. And then it comes with the charger. So this is super portable, very small, travel friendly, love it. And then they sent me 4 of the gel polishes. The nice thing about their polishes is they are vegan, they are cruelty free, and I think it's like missing some of like the more harsh chemicals, so it's a little bit safer, I guess. First, these two that are like the clear, this one is the soak off base gel, so this is just the first one that you would do. The soak off top gel, obviously the top coat. 2 colors which were actually perfect for Valentine's Day. I was supposed to have this up for Valentine's Day, but my life has just been crazy. Plain white color, actually in the color Perfect White, which at first I didn't realize the names are on the bottom. This is one of the best white gel polishes I've ever used because it's not too streaky. It's very opaque, or like colored, is that the right word? They also sent me the perfect baby pink color, perfect for spring or Valentine's Day. I decided to go ahead and use the white underneath the pink though, just because I do know sometimes with paler colors with gel polish especially, but nail polish in general, putting a white underneath it will help the color stand out. Also, I want to see white because white is a hard color to do with nail polish. Let's just get on into me doing my nails, me testing out the polish, and then we'll just come back to my thoughts. I have my nails all prepped and ready to go. I've already like filed them down to the shape that I want and everything, and I've like taken off the shine from my nail just to help so that the nail polish adheres better to the nail. I'm gonna go in first, the Madam Glam Soak Off Base Gel Polish. I'm gonna create a base with this. I like to do a few coats. I think I'm gonna do maybe 3 coats of this on each nail. We are going to cure them with the little light. It actually has like Madam Glam written on it, and you just push it to turn it on and turn it off. Super easy. It's lightweight, easy to travel with. I'm gonna cure the polish in between each layer. So now I have the base done on all of my fingers. I did the thumb off camera, and I'm going to do my other hand separately just because it's going to be easier that way. I'm going to go in with the white. I love that there's the color of the polish on the label as well as on the lid. I think that's really nice. It makes it easy to see which color you're working with. I'm going to do, I think, maybe 1 coat of this. We'll kind of see how it goes. Obviously, I've never used it before, so we're going to find out. At the most, I'll probably do 2 coats. Sometimes I like putting white as a base coat just to make the other color more vibrant, and I'm going in with a pale pink. I think this is gonna help make it a little bit more like true to color. Also, I want to see what the white is like. Whites can be kind of difficult with nail polish, especially gel, from my experience anyway. Consistency of these is nice. It's like not too liquidy, which is gonna be really, really hard to show from this angle, but I love that it's not too drippy, so that way it doesn't run down your nails and everything and make it all messy. There is just one layer of the white. I'm actually really happy with how it came out. 2 layers and it would have been really nice. It was just like kind of uneven the way I applied it. So that's why I think it would need 2 coats. But since I'm going to go over it with the pink, I'm only going to do the one. I'm going to go in with the actual color that the nails are going to be, which is this really pretty pale like baby pink. I think I'm going to go in with 2 coats of the pink. Obviously we're going to cure it in between each coat. Oh yeah, these have really nice consistencies because they're not too crazy watery. I just don't know how to explain it. Here's the pink color. Again, super gorgeous. That's 2 coats of the pink. I could probably do another coat, but I realized I was making it a little too chunky around my cuticles, so I'm gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna go around and fix the shape once I'm totally done with everything also. But the pink is gorgeous. This is like the perfect baby pink color. It is so pretty. Don't mind the shape too much. I did go like out of the lines a little bit, but I'm gonna fix that afterwards. Now then I'm gonna go in with the top coat. So this is just the Madam Glam Soak Off Top Gel. I think I'm gonna do probably just 2 coats. Obviously, again, curing in between all of them. That is how I did my nails using the Madam Glam nail polish. Super happy with this nail polish. I suggest you guys try it. I mean, like I said, I'm not a professional like nail artist. I'm just like a regular type person who does their nails at home. So if I can use this nail polish and make it look super pretty, you can also. This nail polish is so good. Like, I haven't had any chipping at all. I had a little bit of lifting, but that was just because of I'm still practicing, so I don't really think that was the polish. I think that was just my technique or lack of. I even was able to file around the edges of my nails after I was totally done painting them, and 0 lifting on like the edges of my tips or anywhere. This stuff isn't super watery. It's a nice thicker formula. You do want to make sure you get a lot of it off the brush before you put it on your nails. That's a big tip. I think that's kind of where I messed up a little bit around my edges. I actually able to clean up. Once they had grown out a little bit, I did go back over my nails and fix up the edges. These polishes are so great. There is so many different colors, different glitters, shimmers to choose from on their website. They do also have a ton of like the LED lamps, which I think I might take a look at those because they have like some pretty nice looking ones. I'm definitely gonna have to take a look at their website at those, but there are so many nail polishes to choose from and I cannot wait to get more. I think this is gonna be like a holy grail for me right now, this nail polish. The best thing is that it is vegan, it is cruelty free, if that is something that is important to you. And I do have a coupon code with them. They were nice enough to give me one so that you guys can try out some of their polishes as well. Definitely check out the description box for that discount code so that you can save a little bit of moolah on these gel nail polishes. But I definitely think these are worth a try. I'm just so shocked that they have not peeled like at all, because I have tried some gel polishes from like Target. I forget the actual brand of them, but from like drugstores, some of them can like peel off really easily, and these just have not done that. Like I've said probably a few times now, I cannot wait to test out and try some more of their colors because they have so many to choose from. It's just like, how do I choose just a few? Thanks again so much, Madam Glam, for giving me the opportunity to try this stuff out because these are great. Definitely recommend if you guys are into doing your nails yourself, or if you want to start doing your nails yourself. Let me know in the comments below your guys' thoughts on the nails. Let me know if you guys do your nails at home and if you guys are going to be trying out some of the Madam Glam polishes. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you guys want to see me do some more nails on my channel. Yeah. And that's it. I always feel like there's so much more to say. But thanks so much for watching this video. Muchísimas gracias. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.